Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own custom shirt on Roblox in 2026. Now I have made a video like this a few years ago, but I don't think I explained it too well, and there are some new ways you could do this, so I'm going to teach it to you in this video. Before we get into it, I just want to say, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if this worked. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers as quick as I can. I'm nearly there, so it will be greatly appreciated if you do subscribe. But no more messing around, let's get on with the video. So the first thing you want to do is go onto any browser. I have Google Chrome open right now. And what you want to type is Roblox shirt pixel. Pixel without the E and then R. Press enter. You'll see pixel art Roblox shirt template. Click on that. So what pixel art is, it's like Photoshop, it's like Photopea. It's an online photo editor. I use this to create my thumbnails, like it's completely free. What they also have is free Roblox shirt templates. Basically there's already templates available and you can just customize it to your liking. So that is very good. You don't need to, because designing it in the first place requires some skill, which I'm still going to teach you, but this makes it a lot easier. Plus there's so much variety that you'll definitely see something you like. So when you're here, click on create your first Roblox shirt, and then here are the designs. You can scroll through each one and then pick something you'd like or something that interests you, so I'm just going to do that. Alright, so here I found something I like, so just click on it and then click on use template. It will load it and open it up on Pixlr. And you can see it's pretty much a hoodie with designs on the sleeves. So you got undo and redo on the top if in case you mess anything up. You got your translations here, which you pretty much don't need. Layers and deleting. You can transform as well and go to your designs and text on the left. You can add some text. You can add just some default text right here and just, for example, write my name. You can change it to make it look good, and you can have your name in the front of your shirt. What you can do is click on text, and then there's stuff right here you can choose from. If you like any of these, obviously. You can also click on media, then it'll give you stickers and just images you can put on there, something that might suit you. And then when you're done, click on save and then save it on your computer. Now another way you could do this without using the templates and actually designing stuff yourself, I'll teach it to you right now as well. You want to search for Roblox shirt template on Google. Click on images, scroll down until you see this one, where it's just your classic shirt template. Right click and save the image onto your computer. So I'll just save it onto my downloads, and I'm not going to name anything. And then it's downloaded. You want to type Pixlr. We're going to use Pixlr again to edit, but not the template one. Click on Pixlr editor, open it up. It should say E. If it's something else, make sure you choose its E. You want to click on open image and then find the image where you saved it. It'll open that specific image up. Now what you can do is also open this image on another tab, because what we're going to do is we're going to delete this stuff right here, up, down, left, right, back, so we can actually put the shirt in. And in case you forget where something is, you can always refer back to this. Make sure the image layer is selected on the right here. You want to go to the select feature and then get rid of all of these up, down, left, right stuff. Press delete, then we'll clear that out. Alright, I did not do a good job up here, but you guys get the gist of it. Make sure you do a good job and clear that out. And now let's get on to the actual work. You also have references here to see where something is, so you exactly know what you should be putting there. I'm just going to create a simple textured shirt look. I want to make a light blue color. So what you can do is search for whatever color you want. For example, if you're making a hoodie or a shirt, I'm going to search for cyan color. So you can write solid color as well, so you don't get any like names anywhere. This color works well. So I'm just going to, if you found your color, you want to right click on copy image, go back to Pixlr and press paste. What this has done is put the actual image on the top layer. We want to put it on the bottom layer. So to do that, on the right side where you see image, hold it and drag it at the bottom layer. Then it will cover all this stuff up. And now sometimes you can see on Roblox shirts, you see the texture as well. Like you can see it's a textured shirt. This right now, if I just leave it and say, okay, I'm done, let me upload it, it's going to look a bit weird. To get that texture look, you can search for Roblox shirt texture template. So I found this one. This one has a black outline, which is great because we have to delete the background. To delete the background, it's gonna delete the same color as this color, and we don't want it like to delete random colors over here. So this black border will do well. This one's from Pinterest Code the UK, clothing transparent shading, Roblox clothes free design. If you want to use the same one, search that up. But anyway, you want to right click it, click on copy image, go back to pixel art and click paste, Ctrl V. You'll see obviously right there. To get rid of the background, you want to select the image on the right, select this magic wand tool and click on the background. So select everything, that color in the background, press delete. Now obviously you can't see my cyan color because this is white textured. You want to lower the opacity of the texture one by right clicking the image, go to opacity and lower it down. Zero opacity means it's not, you can't see it at all. Opacity is just how well you can see it. Alright, so I'm going to put mine, I still want to see my cyan color, so I'll put mine at about 40 to 45. I'll do 45 for now. See, that looks good already, that looks textured, that looks professional. And that's pretty much it done. You can add some itty bitty designs on the front here. For example, I want to add this one. Obviously you have to resize it. I'm going to delete the background as well. Now that looks ugly, so what you can do if you're putting a logo as well is select that logo image on the right, go to filter, put an outline on it. For example, I'll put black. I'm happy with this design. You can continue to keep going and adding whatever you'd like, whatever design you like. You can go back here and use this as a reference to see where's the left, where's the back, where's the right, because again you can't see it here. But anyways, once you're done, you want to press Ctrl S, save as a PNG, click on save as, it will save onto your computer. I'll save it in my downloads folder again and call it Roblox shirt 1. And then you want to sign into roblox.com. Once you're on Roblox, click on create at the top. Once you click that, click on creations on the left, click on avatar items, and go on to classics and filter this to classic shirts. Click on upload asset. You can give it a name if you want. I'm just going to call it cyan shirt. You can give it a description as well. Up here, click on upload, find where your shirt is. It's going to cost you 10 Robux. I should have said this in the beginning, but uploading a shirt on Roblox is not free. Creating it is free, but uploading is not free. So in general it's not free. Plus 10 Robux is 10 Robux. It's probably not that hard to get. So yeah, click on upload. Upload again. Once you've done that, go back to avatar items. Go back to classics. Go back to classic shirts. I didn't actually upload my cyan one, so I uploaded this one. You could put this shirt on sale, so by clicking this thing on and then by clicking publish item. So it's gonna cost a good amount of Robux, so again make sure you keep that in mind. Even if you don't publish it, it should still be in your, if you go to Roblox, it should still be to your avatar. It should be here, so you can wear it, your character can wear it, you don't need to sell it if you just don't want to sell it. But yeah guys, that is how you create a shirt and upload it to Roblox, and also if you want to sell it, how you can sell it. So you guys, if you had any trouble, be sure to comment below the troubles and I'll try and get back to you as quick as possible. Well yeah, that is the tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new again, and then I'll see you in the next video.